All right, we're in my spare bedroom here where we keep some of the special openers, as you can see, 3575K that we showing on the door, and a bunch of others. And of course, my favorite opener of all time. We're looking at the other version of, we'll say the other version of my favorite opener of all time that is brand new, but this is a little different. This one's kind of rare. This is a new factory refurbished unit. So, as we know, 1280 came out mid-95, went through, I think, August of 97. Well, this one is outside that date range because it is a refurb unit from Chamberlain. When you look at the date on there, it says August of 98, 1280-LM. This is a factory refurbished unit here. So this would have been the era of this machine, the 1280R, if it was 98. So it is 100% correct. Both end panels match. And I saw the original box on it. It said factory refurbished. It did not come with a nicely lettered up box like that. It came with a brown box like that Sears box over there, and it just said factory refurbished on it. Super cool unit to have in the collection. Included with it was an 81LM, and this one is actually dated July of 98. And of course, the 58LM without the Security Plus logo. If you look, there's a plastic stamp on here, right there, 1998. So, original accessories to the machine. It came with this manual, for some reason not stapled. So, it is a 1996 copyright on it. So, it'd be the latest version of the 1280 manual. So, I thought that was pretty cool. Never seen a factory refurbished 1280, and I don't know if this was like a display model that got sent back from a door company and then they refurbish them and then resell them, or what the deal is. And, you know, nothing really looks used on it. You look at the whole thing, chassis, all that stuff. So I'm assuming all the outside components are brand new. Maybe it's just the inner workings that have a little use on them. I'm not sure. Very cool unit. Not the original lenses. I did not get the original lenses with this unit, but I bought some brand new ones from LiftMaster to put on there. So that's why they don't have the rubber isolators on them. That unit has original ones. So, without further ado, we'll go ahead and give it a run for you. You also notice it has the newer style, old style sprocket, if that makes sense. It has the round top where you can't see the teeth of the clog on top. Whereas the 96 one, you can see the teeth on there. It doesn't have the round top. Anyway, let's give it a run. I love these old billion code machines. This was kind of my era though when I was really young. This was it, 1990s. Had that 1255 on my mom and dad's overhead door at our old house. I love that setup. Anyway, let's run it again. Sounds so good. Maybe. 66 LM here, cooperate. Here we go. Pretty neat machine. I know it's just another 1280, but I've never seen one factory refurbished. There's that tag again for your viewing pleasure, and then we'll show the other side one more time as well. Down there, and then if you look, there it is, square green learn button. It is not a 390 Security Plus unit. So, anyway, that is my 1280 LM from August of 98 that is factory refurbished. Figured I'd share that with you. Enjoy.